Welcome to the Campus Support Tutorials for Families video series. In this video, you'll learn how to find your student grades using the Campus Parent Portal.
To find grades for your child in the Parent Portal of Infinite Campus, click on Grades on the left. You'll see the current term at the top. In elementary, it's fall, spring, and year-end. You can find all the classes listed. Scroll to the class you'd like to see more information about. Click on the standard or test score to be able to find more information. Then click on the I on the right to see any kind of rubric the grade is given on. Click on the student's name in the top right to switch between children in the household.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please see the SPPS Family website.